Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Servo Motor Kit. We are at project 3, which is connecting a push switch to the LED so that when we press the switch, LED comes on. Let's see how to do that. Take any color LED. I've taken the green color LED and the red wire to any hole in the positive rail. So I'm inserting the red wire to any hole in the positive rail. Okay, and black wire to H30. H30, this is H and 30 is here. Can you see this? H30. Okay, so that is connected. Then I have taken the push switch module. This is the push switch module that comes with the kit. It has a push switch and 2 wires. What it says, connect 1 wire to F30. Okay. F30 and other wire of the push switch to the negative. So this is how the connection looks. Red LED goes to the positive rail. Black wire of the LED goes to H30. Then the green wire of the push switch goes to the negative and the blue wire of the push switch goes to F30. Okay. Now let's switch it on. Nothing happens, but if the connections are correct, if you press the switch, okay, if you press the switch, the light comes on. So this is how you can build circuits that work when we press the push switch. When we press the push switch, the connection gets completed and power reaches the LED. Perfect. Let's move on.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.